Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So now I will explain about lab 4.2 routing with 3 router. So first we login as admin with MAC address, and then click terminal, and here we check interface with interface print. We can see that Ether 1 is connect with router 2 and Ether 2 connect with client 1. After that, we add IP address with command IP address at address 172.16.1.1/24 with interface Ether 1. And then IP address at address 192.168.10.1/24 with interface Ether 2. After that, we do checking using command IP address print. And here we can see that we have success to add IP address for Ether 2 and Ether 1. And next, we do configuration for Ether 2 by moving LAN cable to Ether 2. First in here, we check interface that we use using command interface print. And here we can see Ether 1 is connect to router 1 and Ether 2 connect with client 2, and then Ether 3 connect with router 3. And then we add IP address for router 2. We add command IP address at address 172.16.1.2/24 with interface Ether 1. After that, we add for Ether 2 with command IP address at address 192.168.20.1/24 with interface Ether 2. And then we add for Ether 3 with command IP address at address 172.16.2.1/24 with interface Ether 3. After that, we do checking with command IP address print. And here we can see we have success to add IP address for Ether 1, Ether 2, and Ether 3. And next, we do configuration for router 3 by moving LAN cable. And then login as admin with MAC address, and then we check interface that we use using command interface print. And here we can see that Ether 1 is connect with router 2 and Ether 2 connect with client 3. After that, we add IP configuration with command IP address at address 172.16.2.2/24 with interface Ether 1. And then we add for Ether 2 with command IP address at address 192.168.30.1/24 with interface Ether 2. After that, we do checking by using command IP address print. And here we can see that we have success to add IP address for Ether 1 and Ether 2. And next, we add routing configuration by using command IP route at destination address 192.168.20.0/24 with gateway 172.16.2.1. And then IP route at destination address 172.16.1.0/24 with gateway 172.16.1.2. And then we add IP route at destination address 192.168.10.0/24 with gateway 172.16.2.1. After that, we do checking with IP route print. And here we can see that we have success to add IP route with status is ES or active static. Next, we do test ping to client 2 with command ping 192.168.20.1. And here we can see the result was reply. That means configuration was success and router 3 has been connected with client 2. After that, we move LAN cable to router 2. Here we login as admin with MAC address, and then we click connect. And then we add IP route with command IP route at destination address 192.168.10.0/24 with gateway 172.16.1.1. command IP root at destination address 192.168.30.0/24 with gateway 172.16.2.2. After that, we do checking using command IP root print, and here we can see that we have success to add IP root with status is ES or active static. Next, we do test ping for client 1 and client 3. We add command ping 192.168.10.1, and here we can see the result was reply. That means configuration was successful and router 2 has been connected with client 1. And then we ping client 3 at command ping 192.168.30.1. And here we can see the result was reply. That means configuration was successful and router 2 has been connected with client 3. Next, we move on cable to router 1. Login as admin with MAC address, and then we click connect. And then we add routing configuration with command IP root at destination address 192.168.20.0/24 with gateway 172.16.1.2. And then add command IP root at destination address 172.16.2.0/24 with gateway 172.16.1.2. And then add command IP root at destination address 192.168.30.0/24 with gateway 172.16.1.2. And after that, we do checking using command IP root print. And here we can see that we have success to add IP root with status is ES or active static. After that, we do test ping to client 2 with command ping 192.168.20.1. And here we can see the result was reply. That means configuration has been success and router 1 has been connected with client 2. And then do test ping to router 3 using command ping 172.16.2.2. And here the result was reply. That means router 1 has been connected with router 3. And last, we do test ping to client 3. In here we add command ping 192.168.30.1. And in here the result was reply. That means configuration was success and router 1 has been connected with client 3. Okay, that's all about lab 4.2 routing with 3 router. See you on the next video. Goodbye.